Hi, my name is Mike Summers. I'm from Jim's Shoe Doctor in Eugene, Oregon. Today we're going to be talking about eliminating the odors out of a shoe and cleaning the inside of that shoe out. For the most part, most shoes that are going to be the problem are going to be athletics type shoes with removable insoles, and they're fairly easy to deal with. You can usually find a replacement insole and pull your old insole out and put a new insole in. What you'd want to do also is to either clean the inside of this shoe out with a mild detergent and then completely dry it, or use a product to help that process to eliminate the odors. Most of these products are made to cover odors. They really don't truly eliminate odors. You could try Febreze, that sort of thing. But most of the time, it's going to be just changing an insole out to get that offending part out of the shoe. And same thing with the leather insole. If you have a leather insole, to remove that, once the odor gets embedded into the leather, it's going to stay until you remove the offending part of the shoe. A lot of these insoles are made with products to help them resist odor. So they have chemicals built into them to try and deter some of that odor. The best thing is you can wash insoles. So you can try to wash them out first, cleaning the tops of the insoles, letting them completely dry out. Putting them in the sunshine is a great thing to do because the sun will definitely help to eliminate some of that. And that's how you can pretty much deal with a shoe that's offending. You can also use products like Brown's Foot Bath. And there's a number of foot baths you can use, but Brown's Foot Bath is kind of hard to find, but it works great. And that actually changes your foot. It will remove the dead skin off your feet and help your feet to breathe so that they don't cause the problem with the shoes. And that's how you can deal with shoe odor.